Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete a business page in Facebook on laptop. So first you have to log in to your Facebook account, official account right here. Log into your laptop, and then you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner and then switch this to your business page. So once you tap your profile below, you should see the list of your business page, and in order for you to switch, you just have to tap your business page name and you have to wait as it is switching. Now you're here on your business page. In order for you to simply delete your business page, you have to tap on your profile again, and then this time you have to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings, and then here you have to scroll down and you have to look for Page Details. So you have to tap on Page Details right here, and that is under Audience and Visibility. And then here you have to tap on Settings. On Settings, you have to scroll down, and then this time you have to look for Access and Control. So that is under Your Information. Tap on Access and Control, and then you should see two options right here, that is the activate page or delete page. So our tutorial is all about how to delete a business page in Facebook. You have to tap the second option, and then after that what you're going to do next is tap on the continue button. Now here you can download your information and transfer information for future purposes. So once done, then all you have to do is tap on continue. Now, the next thing to do here to confirm that this is your page or you are the owner, you need to enter your password here. Make sure that this one is correct. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is tap on continue. Now, to confirm permanent page deletion, you have to tap on delete page, but you have to read the following here. If you want to reactivate, you have 30 days to reactivate your Facebook or business page. After that, if no actions, then it will be totally deleted. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.